Sick. Have fun, guys. Yeah, it's a GoPro 360.
Oh, yes, okay.
Yeah. I love it. It's the newest one. It's like 8K. It's fucking crazy. What's up?
Oh my god, the GoPro and that?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
360.
Oh,
Dual lens, so
we got like Instagram right now? We Instagram Live?
it will be on YouTube, Instagram, all platforms. That's my channel right there.
What's the topic of the channel?
Well, we do like technical analysis and financial news media,
Like if I go to your YouTube, what are we talking about?
everything.
Main topic.
There is no main topic. We'll talk about politics, religion, conspiration theories,
So I can come on.
Epstein.
Do I come on there virtually? Do I come on?
Yeah,
in
through
person?
Discord.
What's the in-person vibe?
We could do an in-person,
What state?
California.
Alright. It's not- that's
Hit me
not
up,
that
hit me
far.
up, man.
Me in Denver.
Take care. Oh shit, sorry. What's up, bro?
Good to see you.
Yeah, man.
Getting some 360 footage?
Yeah, dude. Got all the fucking cameras going. This is the bathroom?
No, you gotta give it a spin. Except it never stops.
That's fucking awesome.
Bob Barker, $1
And no-
Bob.
Dude, I used to work on The Price is Right.
No kidding.
Yeah, dude.
Bro.
And you know what's crazy is, I bought my property with the ranch and everything, and there was like this hidden room that was like walled off in the building I bought, right? And we kept
Wait,
hearing.
it was next to the.
No, it was inside the building, but it was walled off, and it was like it's like a whole other house.
That's a trip.
And we kept hearing The Price is Right playing from inside the walls, and then finally we tore down the wall and went inside, and that was the day Bob Barker died.
I mean, I grew up
Swear
with
to God.
I grew up with The Price is Right. You know, like we all
Hey,
did.
the ghost or whatever that lives in there is connected to like celebrity death. It started throwing things off the walls, and then Charlie Kirk died the next day.
No, so I was on.
I swear, I'm getting chills right now. Real shit.
So I was the age we grew up. Anytime you're sick, Price is Right, obviously, right? It's like you're home, Price is Right is on. My mom, 3 times got called from the audience, never got called for a game.
Wow. It happens. But we even did a spirit box thing, and we got activity on it. And I've had used that thing all over the place, and it never did anything. And it was like talking to us. It was throwing off all kinds of heat signals and shit. And I had my fact checker do it first, right? And she was like, "Yeah, I'm done with this, whatever." And she started asking it specific questions about like how it died and stuff like that. And that's when it got really active. And then I shut it off, and I went back later, same room, same thing, and I started asking it questions. It wasn't doing anything. When I started asking the exact same questions, it started going off in the same way, and I got it all recorded because I had it plugged into my system. Yeah. So follow my channel.
That's what. Can I ask you real quick? What out of your setup do you get the best footage on? The 360 GoPros?
Yeah, because if for this, they
Have
can
you
see
tried
everything.
Instalink?
To try to find.
The 360 Insta stuff?
I mean, this comes with Instalink.
It is basically the same
Yeah,
product.
yeah,
I was just curious. So
yeah.
it's the
When you
360.
install it, it installed Instalink onto my phone.
Okay. Cool. But that's better than your frontal camera.
This is for like the FPV.
I have the Hero 13.
And then I have my phone one too for backup. So when this dies.
Appreciate you, Oz. Have a good one, man.
Yeah.
Enjoy the rest
Did I
of
give
your
you my
night,
card?
man.
Did I give you my
What's
card?
up? Yeah, please.
Yep.
Thank you, man. Enjoy the rest of your night, brother. Get home safely.
You too. That was the bathroom.
I don't know how else to interpret that.
What the hell?
My purse got stuck up there.
Your purse?
No, I we just got it down.
I was like, there's no purse up there.
We got it down.
Oh my god. You guys are crazy. Don't get lost. What's up, bro?
Oh my gosh, give me this. How are you?
Is that William Watson? What's going on, brother? How you doing? Oz the crypto guy?
Oh, yes, okay. Yeah. So I was the quick go, yeah, dude. Oh, dude, fantastic mustache, by the way.
Thank you.
Amazing
Likewise.
touch right to the end.
Thank you, man. Dude, I was hoping to run into you.
Oh, sick, dude.
Yeah. We got podcast time tomorrow if you want to come on.
Podcast time tomorrow.
At the event.
What
you're
time?
free.
What time do you guys do? You get there all
I
day?
think it's 11 a.m.
Okay. We have time at the podcast studio at 10. So I think I'll be able to pop over.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Love it, man.
And so, where you guys are at, is that right at the conference? Because I haven't been to the conference before yet.
Yeah, at the conference.
Okay. I still haven't made it. I've just been going to side events.
I've been doing all the side events, but I was there when they were setting it up.
Yeah.
So I got like backstage footage of the building and everything too.
Nice. Hell yeah, dude. How's the footage been?
Good.
Yeah.
It's been awesome. I just got this awesome new 8K 360 camera. It fucking kicks rear.
Hell yeah. I still have like a 360 GoPro, but from like 5 years ago now.
Yeah, I bought this one.
This looks heavy duty.
Yeah, I got it like the day before.
I want to show my life, everything here.
Yeah.
Where's the recording? Are you posting it somewhere?
Yeah, I'll give you my card.
Sure.
going You going to anything after this, or is this the end of the night for
I
you?
think is there anything after this?
We have the Gauntlet throwing a house party that started like a half hour ago. What is it? It's a
I
house
like
party
parties.
by Gauntlet. I don't know if it's a party or a get together, but
Gotcha,
the used
gotcha.
party was used. So,
There's a rave that's after this that I was thinking about going to.
oh, that'd be nice. That'd also be great from a content standpoint.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I like the rave EDM scene, like that's my thing.
Yeah. I can see.
This is so sick, like I gotta get all the footage I can.
Did you just start getting through? Did you just start walking through, or
This is
have
my
you got-
second time through.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
I had to go back and get the cameras and shit. I was like, this is too phenomenal.
Hell yeah.
It took me forever to get out. I was the first person in the building. I had VIP, so.
Oh, sick. Okay. What did the VIP get you?
There's like a VIP lounge with like drinks. They give you like a swag bag.
Okay.
And it's like different than the other stuff, And then you get priority. I didn't have to wait in line. Like I was the first person in.
Nice.
When you go to get drinks, you don't have to wait in line. You just go up and get your drink.
Yeah, that's worth it.
That's worth it.
That's worth it. Yeah.
I didn't pay for it.
Yeah. No, yeah.
I just went up and I told them I'm VIP, and they're like, okay, here's the wristband.
Damn it! Should have done that.
Yeah, I did.
You should always just try that first.
Yeah, I do that. I do that at every event. Like when I
Yeah.
went to Rare Evo, like I was VIP the whole time. Like,
Yeah.
at every event I go to, like it's all about how you present yourself.
Yeah, exactly. Might as well give it a shot.
Yeah.
Be confident. Probably
And-
get it 50% of the time.
And when they say no, you say, well, there's a mistake, and they just don't want to deal with you and give it to you anyway.
I love that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Well, hey,
dude, it was great to finally meet you,
nice to
man.
meet you as well. Yeah.
I'm a big fan.
And I'll try to come by for about. What time do we have the studio tomorrow? 10 to 12. 10 to 12. Okay. we're
So
not
you'll be
gonna-
right next to me in the other spot.
Okay.
No worries.
Yeah. Well, hey, we'll see you there.
Yeah, I'll see you there.
Yeah. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Hey, we can do like a little quick interview or something on my campus.
Sure.
If you want.
Yeah.
I'd love to do that. Hey, thank you guys for coming on today. Today's was awesome.
Yeah, it was fun.
It should be on, as soon as I get the email, it'll probably be on YouTube tomorrow. So, cool.
All right, dude. Hell yeah. Well, we'll see you tomorrow.
Yep, see you there.
More bouncing around room to room here.
Right, same. Where the fuck am I?
You're in the upside down.
Yeah.
You streaming?
Well, it'll be all on YouTube.
What's your channel?
Um,
Oh, that's a big one.
everyone take a picture of it because I'm running out of them. And that way you can get your content and go see yourselves dancing. Everybody wave to the camera, say what's up! We got the body cam too. Say hi to the body cam.
Hell yeah.
Oh, thank you. What?
You post charts and shit?
What? Oh yeah,
Yeah?
dude. Check out my shit, bro. I'm like one of the most accurate TA guys out there. And I teach a class on how to do
Next, where are we going next?
it. Down. Bitcoin
49 minimum.
38. That's gonna be the tip of the wick. Yeah, and it could potentially go lower, but it's gonna wick down to the 38.
Macro is picking up. Macro's gonna be
No.